All right, so here is my conclusion for myself. I've decided that I don't need any more junk from Amazon. So I'm going to chuck $100 a month into Bitcoin and just do that periodically. $100 for me, I can spend more than that on Amazon anyway, and it will reduce the junk that I have, and it might make me a little bit more money if I'm just dabbling. I think that's what I'll do. Do you feel like, I know that it's hard for you to answer this, but you feel like that's a common sense approach maybe?
Yeah, I do. And actually that's not out of the realm of, how did you word it? That's not outside of common sense.
Yeah.
To me, just like with gold and silver, and I'd lump cryptocurrencies in the same category. If you have 5 to 15% of your investment portfolio in those things, that makes sense to me. Yeah. Because you want to be diversified, you want to have other assets in case the US dollar crashes because of all the debt, all that stuff. That makes sense to me. If you have like 50 to 75% of your portfolio in these things, that's scary.
That's scary. Okay.
Because of the huge fluctuations that are going on. And again, the lack of valuing it, the potential of bans, all the uncertainties that are going on that we already talked about.
Well, we'll tell you, when I saw it going down and down, if I had significant money in there, I would have thrown up multiple times, and I would have. Oh, yeah. That would have been way too risky. So I get it. Okay. Perfect.
That gets me to another point. I'm glad you said that.
Yeah.
Is only invest in anything, whether it's a speculation or a long-term investment like I do, with money you can afford to lose. Anytime you invest anything. Okay. So you should never be kicked out of your house because you lost an investment, stuff like that. It should only be what you're comfortable losing.
Which is why your masterclass covers this stuff, how to prevent that kind of thing from happening. All right, perfect. All right.